Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to publish your Canva design in WordPress. Let's get started. First, go to Canva and open the design you want to publish. Then on the top right corner, click on the share button, then click on this three-dot icon down here, and then type in embed, but if it's already visible here, just click on the embed icon. Then click on the embed button again, and then copy the HTML embed code. Next, let's go to your WordPress dashboard and on the left panel, navigate to Pages and click on Add Page. Then just click on this plus icon here and you may search HTML, but if it's already visible to you, just click on Custom HTML. And then here on this HTML block, just paste the link you copied earlier, and then up here, click on the Publish button. And that is how you can publish your Canva design to WordPress. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.